Do you also want to stay safe from scams? Do you want that in just 2 minutes? Your hard-earned savings of years disappear? Just think, only 2 minutes. If you truly want to protect your money, your bank account, and everything you've worked so hard for, then make sure you watch this video till the very end. This is Mr. Ahmed. He works hard all day, earns money through sweat and effort, and every month he saves a little and deposits it in the bank. He believes his money is safe. One day, suddenly the phone rings.
Hello, sir. I'm calling from the bank. Your account is about to be blocked. Tell me your OTP immediately, or you'll face serious trouble.
Mr. Ahmed panics. He starts thinking, what if my account gets blocked? What if my money gets stuck? From the other side, the voice pushes harder.
Sir, hurry up. There's no time.
In a state of panic, he opens the message. Without even thinking, he shares the OTP, and just like that, that was the moment when everything went wrong. Suddenly, money starts disappearing from the bank account, one transaction at a time, until everything is gone. Just one OTP destroyed years of hard work. Remember this, a bank will never ask you for your OTP over the phone. An OTP is meant only for you. Anyone who asks you for your OTP is a fraudster. But how did such a big fraud happen to Mr. Ahmed? Let's understand. Friends, always remember, an OTP is actually the final security gate. Just like a house has 2 locks. In the same way, after your password, the OTP is the second lock. Even if someone somehow gets your password, they still cannot access your account unless they also have your OTP. And remember, the OTP is sent only to your mobile phone. Friends, your hard-earned money is your responsibility, and the OTP is the key to that money. And a key is never given to a stranger. Share this video so no one else loses a lifetime of savings.